One of the coolest things about sports and action photography is that sense of blur that you can get from anything that isn't moving. It can be the crowd, it can be the street in the situation of this streetcar, unfortunately not named Desire, in New Orleans. I took that photo screaming, "Stella!" at the top of my voice. Just kidding. It's one of the easiest things to do in photography, but one of the hardest things to get right, and that's that sense of panning. It's really important to have a relatively medium shutter speed, 1/6 of a second, 1/8 of a second, 1/10 of a second, or thereabouts, and track your subject perfectly. As you're tracking your subject, and if you're steady and keeping it straight and working at the same speed, your subject will remain in focus and the street will disappear. It's a lot easier with things like sports where perhaps your subject isn't moving as quick, but when you can get it right with something like a streetcar or a car or a plane, even better. So blurring sports in action, really easy to do, but takes a little bit of practice to get there. In sports, however, you might want that action frozen, and that's really going to come down to a very fast shutter speed. The faster the shutter speed, the faster you can freeze absolutely any moment in time. You'll notice here on this photograph that we've made it so fast that the ball is just visible, frozen in all its glory. And keep in mind, those pitchers, they throw that ball pretty fast, 90 miles an hour. Definitely, you don't want to get caught driving that fast. So it's very easy to create blur in a photograph through panning and freeze motion and avoid blur by having that really nice shutter speed.